Hey people, welcome to Bouquet Jazz Dance. One of the key things I wanted to share what's overlooked is first of all, I'm a creative artist and practitioner of jazz dancing. And what happened, my practice led to me actually spending a lot of time in vintage hotels, in vintage buildings, thinking about the period of jazz, during the period of jazz art, design, new engineering, new science and technology. Basically, jazz evolved in line with new science and technology. And what happens is many individuals are unaware, overlooked, is that the dancers did a lot of research into this era, into the era. They looked into the 1920s, into the 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. We looked at the birth, we looked at the evolution in line with technology, politics, etc. So I'm in a beautiful place, like I said, called Randolph. It's Graduates Hotels, and this is the space that they have. I want to share with you the space. It's a beautiful place. Look at this. Yeah? Look at that. And before I engage in jazz dance events, weekenders, all-nighters, club nights, I've been an individual. I've come into hotels like this. Now look at this. Amazing pictures on the wall. Yeah? So this is what it looks like. And this is where I'd come and spend time with myself or invite friends to come have a drink, chill out, have a coffee, have a tea, whatever you're into. But this is what I do. And I'll do this in different cities where I'd go to all-dayers or go to all-nighters. Yeah? So we got here, all right, piano, and you look up here. Now I want you to look at the ceiling. Absolutely fantastic. And these images would create creative stimulus for me as a dancer. It's one of the key things, would be beautiful. So I'm letting you know about my practice, the practice I engage in. I'm just chilling out. I just had breakfast at the hotel. And this is me getting ready for a number of jazz dance events that are going to take place soon. Jazz never happened in a vacuum. Jazz dance never happened in a vacuum. It was influenced by buildings, architecture, design, politics, new music, new technology. And many individuals, when they speak about their development of their jazz dancing, they don't speak about the research, the amount of research that goes in to getting a feel for jazz and its periods or periods. Blue out.